Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for a super tasty and quick and easy meal idea for busy weeknights or for a quick lunch, then I want to show you the Saffron Road Tikka Masala simmer sauce. So I love chicken tikka masala and I love to make it from scratch, but sometimes you just don't have the time and you need a quick meal. So this sauce is so delicious. It is a beautiful, rich, spiced flavor, but it's not overly spicy. It's very mild and it just has so much flavor and it will really just bring a little excitement to your weeknight meals. So it's super simple to use. It is ready to go. So you can just add it to your cooked chicken, or if you want to add some veggies, and just heat it up, and then you can put it over rice or serve it with naan bread or whatever you like to do. So I love to add it to chicken and veggies and put it over rice, and it makes for a super fast and delicious meal. I also love that it's gluten-free and non-GMO. So if you're looking for a delicious and convenient meal option, then I would definitely check out the Saffron Road Tikka Masala simmer sauce. I absolutely love it. So tasty. That's my point of view.